Hey guys, so now we are headed to the Dubai outlet mall. We took two metros from Conrad to reach Al Ghubaiba station, from where we'll be taking a bus to the outlet mall because it's very far away and we don't want to spend a lot on taxi. So we'll be taking the bus, and here is Manas. He says hi.
चल यहाँ पे
कहाँ?
यहाँ निकलते बस स्टॉप 50 मीटर है.
Okay.
A few moments later.
So I reached the outlet mall 2 hours ago, and I was really tired because the whole bus journey I was standing for almost an hour, and so we decided to take a break at Starbucks, and now it's time to go shopping. Too big. Keep smashing Hulk. All Neel before me. I think he had a reason. Snap. Mr. Stark, how are you doing? And that's life-size Iron Man suit. Wish I could take it home. Probably fly around Pune in Narayanpet wearing the Iron Man suit. So I just got done with the outlet mall. I must say that I'm a little disappointed. The shoes they had were not what I was expecting. Now I'm heading to QD's, which is near the Dubai Yacht Club. Me, Manas and his friend will be meeting there for dinner. So let's see how that place is. I am expecting some good food. So like I said, I'm at this place called QD's at the Dubai Yacht Club, and it has this gorgeous view, and there's the match going on inside and some loud music. It's a really happening place, and the most important or the best part of this place is the view. Look at that. There's the Burj Khalifa there and the entire Dubai skyline. For some reason it is not focusing because I don't have a good camera. But yeah, just imagine sitting here having a candlelight dinner. And so Manas, how are you feeling?
Awesome. An amazing place, amazing breeze, amazing views across the Dubai Creek. You got the amazing skyline of Dubai right behind us. You got the Burj Khalifa and the Dubai frame in the same frame.
अबे गाइड बनने नहीं बोला देखो.
But सही लग रहा है ना?
ठीक है. So we just got back to the hotel. We are chilling in the lobby, and long and tiring day.
But fun.
Fun. We got tired because of that long trip to the outlet mall, and a disappointing experience, I would say. I didn't get what I wanted to shop for. Nonetheless, I had a good time at QD's at the Dubai Yacht Club.
Nice ambience, nice food.
It was really good. So if you're in the Dubai Creek area, I would definitely recommend a visit to QD's.
Did you realize we actually covered a lot of various transportation modes in the same day?
Oh yeah.
Private cars, taxis, metro, as well as the bus.
Yeah. 4 modes of transport which we covered
in one day.
Yeah, I got that swag.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think I'll end this video over here. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share,
subscribe,
comment. No, first share, comment,
then
subscribe. The most important part. So we just got back to the hotel. We are chilling in the lobby. Long and tiring day. The trip to outlet mall.
इतने में तुझे 5 बार ऊपर देख लिया.
आ गया.